Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. So today is Wednesday, May the 2nd, and it's grocery day at our house. So I went over to Harris Teeter and we just did a regular normal grocery shop for the week. Because on Sunday, May the 6th through the 8th, so Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, we are having a Blitz Super Doubles. This is what I'm hearing. I have not seen that in my email, so I will not confirm until Friday when I get my email, because normally if it's a 3-day blitz, they'll just put it on the email. So anyway, just using regular coupons today. These are the groceries that we were able to get. So let me show you what I was able to get. Really great deals today. My grocery budget was $60, and here's what I was able to get. So this Voss water was $1.59, buy one get one free, so I would say about $1.60 or 80 cents a piece. I had a 75 cents off coupon. The coupon did not double, but it did take off 75 cents each. So these rang up for about 5 cents a piece. So I had 3 coupons and I got 3 waters. These Chili Cow, they are light ice cream. Now I've never had this before. This is brown butter salted caramel. It's 100 calories, and then there's a brownie batter one for 110 calories. They were $5.79, buy one get one free. So that is about $2.50, 75, about $2.75, $2.80, somewhere in there. And I had a $2 off coupon for each one of these. So let me make sure I got my math right. So 79, $2.90, and I had a $2 off coupon for both of them. So I paid 90 cents for each box. The Harris Teeter eggs, we do a lot of eggs around here, being on Weight Watchers, were $2.69 for 30, so we got that. And then their waters, for 35 waters, is $2.89, so I picked up one of those. We got some grapes. Their grapes were $1.49 a pound, and we're going to do something I found in Weight Watchers Connect called glitter grapes. So we're going to try those this week, probably after I film this video. The mixations, this is the Dole mixations. These were $2.49. I had a 75 cents off coupon that doubled to $1.50. So they were like 99, 98 cents, somewhere in there. They did not have the best veggie prices this week, so I picked up the cheapest. So I got 2 things of just regular corn. I got 2 things of the onion pepper blend, and then 2 things of the broccoli and cauliflower. These are steamable. These are not. The green ones or the Harris Teeter brand are not steamable, but they were 99 cents. So I got 4 bags, and then these steamable ones were $1.29. I got 2 bags of those. I did pick up another of the fat-free Ready Whip. I use this in coffee or desserts on Weight Watchers. I think it's 3 tablespoons is 0 smart points, but check your scanner because I could be wrong. These original English muffins here were $2.79, buy one get one free. The kids had English muffins pizzas that we made ahead, so I think that those were good for lunches. And then we had the Ritz. Ritz crackers were $4.49, buy one get one free. I had a 75 cents off coupon that doubled to $1.50. So they ended up being like $2.99, $2.98, something like that. Then their Harris Teeter trash bags, they were 10 for 10 or $1 a piece, so I picked those up. The Dawn, this is the Escapades New Zealand Spring Scent. This is the 19 fluid ounces, way bigger than I normally get. Their regular price at $2.99. They were buy one get one free at $2.99, and there was a 25 cent off coupon that doubled to 50 cents, so I paid $1 a piece for these. Which if I had gotten the 2 smaller ones, I would have paid $1 for 16 ounces total. So I paid $1 for 19 ounces and then $1 for another 19. The Listerine Floss was $1.49. Normally I would not have purchased this. However, there was a coupon for $1 off. And I know Super Doubles is coming on Sunday, but the coupon expires on Saturday. So I went ahead and picked this up. It made these 49 cents a piece. I used 4 coupons and I got 4 floss. The kids and I use it all the time. This cooking vegetable spray, I usually get one of these at $1.49. Now I'm coming to some of the best deals of the day, and there were quite a few. So this Oscar Meyer, this is lowest sodium honey ham, was 3 for $10 or $3.33. There was a $2 off coupon, store coupon, so that made it $1.33. And then I had $1 off of Oscar Meyer. So for 8 ounces of this ham, I paid 33 cents. And I got 3 of them because I had 3 coupons. I probably should have picked up one more, but I wasn't sure if I had all the coupons I needed. If they have any more of these, I'll go back and pick up some of those and throw them in the freezer. These are usually lower in Smart Points than some of the brands, so I do like to pick up those when I can. The Sweet Tart Sour Gummies, again, I pick up candy whenever candy is in season because I take this to people's houses and give it to their kids before they go to bed, and I go home. So this was $1.59. I had a 75 cents off coupon that doubled to $1.50, so 9 cents for this gummy candy. And we actually went to a small group tonight. It's not our regular small group, and we did take candy. Yes, we did, and we left it there. Yay! A couple of great meat deals. I saw this was pork roast. They had this one marked down for $2.90, and there are 1.6 pounds. And this is another one. No, this is 1.6 per pound. $1.60 per pound. Excuse me. $1.60 per pound. So this is about 2 pounds, and this one is about 3 pounds. They're both about 3 pounds, because the regular price was like $7 or $8. Couple pounds there, but $3.23. And then $2.90, so I picked up the 2 roasts. And then the shavers. I don't normally buy shavers, so I use mine for quite a long time. But they had these Bic Silky Touch 10 in a pack. They were $3.99, and I had a $3 off each of these. So I paid 99 cents for 10 razors, or 9 cents a razor. 10 cents a razor if you want to say that. And then they had these Chic Extreme 4 razors. They were $4.99. And I had a $4 off coupon. I had 4 coupons, but they only had 3 items, so I picked up those 3. And I'm gonna see who's a friend we can gift that to this week. So all in all, here's our haul of the things we were able to get. I remember my budget was $60 this week, so I'm excited to show you my totals. So my balance was $53.58. I had $37 in manufacturer's coupons, $5.75 in doubles, $51.02 in Vic savings, for a total savings of $93.77, or 65% on this particular bill. And year to date, I've saved $1,824.32. So I'm pretty happy with this haul. There was a lot of great deals this week, but we will be out there in these streets getting our deals starting Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. So be looking for Super Doubles coupon videos to come out starting Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. You should get 3 videos this week. So there it is, everyone. Thank you so much for stopping by our channel. If you like grocery haul videos, hey, thumb us up. Just say, hey, we like your video. If you're new to our channel, hit the red subscribe button. We love to keep you as a part of our YouTube community. Also, hit the little bell. That way you never miss an upload from us. Thank you so much for stopping by our channel to check out our grocery haul. And until Super Doubles, bye now.